YouTube, what's good? Hitting you with the voiceover. You already know it's your boy, the one and only. Let's go.
We chasing problems just so we can fucking make it in the Carolinas. The Carolinas getting money in the Carolinas. The Carolinas running plays in the Carolinas.
Alright, so right now, about to just unrag for y'all, and my hair is looking my hair is looking dirty. Might look on camera like it's not, but it's looking dirty. So about to get into this washing style. A lot of people always ask me what I do, so I'm going to show you guys what I do, how I do it. It's going to be a lot of speed ups. I don't want to make the video too long, so what we're going to do, just sit back, relax. I'll pop in and out, but other than that, sit back and enjoy this music. Let's go. Alright, so first, as you guys can see, got a comb. So I literally just chopped my wolf, so my hair is really short. So I got a thin tooth comb, and you always want to comb out your hair, just to lift it up. Let your scalp breathe. You want to comb with the grain. So that's all I'm doing right now. Just comb with the grain, and I'll be back. Alright, y'all, so this right here, what I'm saying, is just a spray bottle. You can really get this from anywhere, honestly. Any beauty supply, literally probably anywhere, man. Keeping it stacked with you. So all I'm doing now is drenching my hair, because you want your hair to be as wet as possible before I'm applying the shampoo. So that's all I'm doing, just spraying it and just getting it wet all over before I apply the shampoo. Bro, this shampoo right here, nigga. Bro, this shit right here is the truth. All natural, sulfate free. This shit is the truth. So all I'm doing right now, as you can see, just rubbing with the grain. This is my pre-wash. I do about 2 pre-washes. So this is my first pre-wash, just to get out all the dirt, all the product, all the sweat that I had before I go into my second pre-wash, and then the actual main wash. Oh, also, just in case y'all can't see, all I'm doing is just rinsing out the shampoo. That's all I'm doing, just rinsing it out. Gotta make sure I get it all out of my head. Actually, hold on, I'll be right back. Forgot my towel. Damn. My bad. I don't know how I did that. Alright, right here, just doing a second pre-wash. Got out all the dirt and all the product. Now I'm just going through it one more time before the actual wash, just to make sure I get out any excess dirt that I might have left. Alright, so right here, now all I'm doing now, I'm just taking a regular brush. This is a Torino Pro. I'll actually drop everything in my description box below. Make sure I pay attention to that. So now all I'm doing is just taking a brush, and I'm about to, just go through it. And once again, this is my pre-wash. But the reason you want to do this, you want to go ahead and rub it with the grain to kind of get your hair to prepare for your actual wash. So, I'm just putting a little brush work, brushing it through, make sure I hit all the follicles, which is very, very important. So that's all I'm doing now, just making sure I hit my angles precisely before I rinse it out. Consistency is key, man. Make sure you're hitting the same consistent angles each time, because if not, that will create forks. Just wanted to say once again, you know, all I'm doing right now is just rinsing my hair out, just rinsing out all the shampoo, about to prep for the main wash. So now this right here is the main choice. It is a conditioner. It's the 3-in-1, but however I like to use it and rinse it right out. But before I rinse it out, you know, I want to just put a little, I'll say I'll use a decent amount, because this conditioner, you know, you can never use too much conditioner. So as you can see, I'm using a decent amount of conditioner, you know, see, not too little, but not too much, you know. All I'm about to do now, I'm just going to apply it with the grain all over my head, the flow of my pattern. And after that, I'm going to comb it in, just comb it in, you know, very briefly. You know, I'm just gonna comb it in, you know, to make sure it's getting all the way down to my scalp, down to the roots. You know, gotta keep your hair conditioned. So all I'm doing right now, you know, I'm just make sure I hit my angles. You know, my bad. I had to step up. I didn't realize I was out the camera. My bad, y'all. All right, as y'all can see, once again, like I said, you want to make sure your hair stays drenched, because remember, your hair is easily more manipulative when it is wet. So now I'm just drenching my hair before I prep for this main wash. Now, as you can see here, you know, all I did, I just add, you know, adding some more shampoo, you know, and as you could tell, the more shampoo I add, the more lather it has. As you can tell, it has way more lather than the first one. That's because of the 2 pre-washes I did to get out all of the dirt and hit it with a conditioner. Now, as you can see, man, that organic lather is something crazy. So what I got here is this Detangling Brush. This thing right here is crucial. I mean, look at these bristles. I'm telling you, if y'all know about the Detangling Brush, man, y'all better wake up. You can purchase this at your local Walmart, your local beauty supply store, Amazon, anywhere. However, I will drop a link for this below as well. And if it's not this specific one, it will be the other brands of Detangling brushes that basically, you know, they're going to do like the same thing. These are great before hitting it with your regular brush. These stretch out your waves, stretch out your curls. Man, this Detangling brush, I'm telling you, you don't have it in your arsenal, you better wake up. Alright, y'all, so right now I'm just going over everything I hit the detangler with. I'm just hitting it with my medium Torino Pro. Also, that link will be left in the description box below. Now I'm just about to get in a small quick brush session just to lay everything down to make sure that shampoo is nice and laid on my hair. as y'all saw, I'm switching between horizontal and vertical brushing. Vertical brushing is very good for breaking forks and getting those stubborn little spots and the waves that you just can't seem to hit when you hit it horizontally. So vertical brushing is very, very good as well. All right, y'all, so it just got done. So now, as you see here, I'm just adding one final layer of shampoo, and it's gonna give it that nice firm hold. As you know, the lather is gonna be really good. It's gonna act as it's basically gonna the shampoo is basically gonna give it its hold. As you can see, I'm making sure my hair is wet. Once again, you don't want to do it dry. You want your hair as wet as possible. So now, just making sure I just spread that shampoo, and that's gonna give it its hold. It's gonna act as, you can honestly say it's gonna act as a pomade, if you will. It's gonna hold it down while you rinse it out. And as you can see, I'm using a mirror as I lay it down, making sure I'm not doing anything blindly. We using mirrors all 2020. All right, y'all, now I'm about to put on my do-rag. As you can see, this is my washing style. This is my mesh do-rag. Mesh, it is the one that has holes in it. This thing is great for washing styles. You can use it to rinse out all your shampoo. Now you want to put it on, oh man, I'm slipping, y'all. I put the dang seam inside. Make sure the seam is on the outside, my bad. But yeah, this is a great do-rag to have for washing styles. That way you don't have to mess up any of your silkies. So, you can just use this. You can find this anywhere. Honestly, you can find it anywhere on Amazon. However, I will drop a link for this below in my description box as well. As y'all can see, even during my washing styles, and then with that no knot method, that video is also on my channel. That video is also on my channel, that no knot method. I use it no matter what I'm doing, after a session, during a washing style. Hey, I told y'all, man, we leaving all knots in 2019. All knots in 2019. So now all I'm doing is I'm taking the strap, making sure, it's nice and flush. Forehead, putting it behind my ear. Now I'm pulling it around the back of my head, and all I'm gonna do is just tuck the other end in the side, just like this. So boom, there you have it. No knot, and it's definitely secured. There's no knot at all. Now I'm just pulling out, as you can see right there. You know what I'm saying? We leaving all knots in 2019. You want to pull it down nice and snug. That's what's going to give you that good hold. So now I'm taking the cape. I'm tying the cape up. I don't like to let my cape fly. Tying the cape up, gonna get it a nice snug fit. Make sure it's secure. Fix the straps before I rinse it out. Do not take your do-rag off. Let it air dry. This is my results, man. This is the results. After washing it, rinsing it, letting it dry, this is what I'm looking like right now. I mean, hey, you really pay attention to hair, you can definitely tell there is a big difference. My hair had just sweat and product. I had to let it, it was looking kind of rough. Had to let it go. I'm telling y'all do this method, you will be right. You don't believe me? Psh, y'all better wake up. I'm telling you.
I guess we chasing